Hey y'all. Okay. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all motherfucking doing? I've officially been in Tulum for about 5 hours now. I'm sorry, 7.5 hours. I am exhausted. I did not sleep the night before. That's on me. That's fully on me. So when I got on my plane last night, I was going to no sleep. Just balls to the wall. So because I didn't sleep before I got here, sorry, as you can see, I'm doing my skincare because right now it's 7:28. I made. I was originally supposed to go on this trip with my best guy friend, my bro. But that fell through like a few days before, so I'm not fully prepared for this to be like a solo trip. But my partner was like, you should still do the thing. Like, do the things that you wanted to do. Do all of the activities that you wanted to do. Just don't let it stop you. So, I'm going to take that advice. Okay, so yes, because I'm doing this on my own, I'm still trying to do the things. So, in the spirit of that, I am going to a pub crawl. I should be there at 8:30. I'm about according to my maps, I'm about 5 minutes away. So in about 45 minutes, 45 to 50 minutes, I'm gonna have the concierge get me a taxi. And let's see how this works. I'm so nervous. So excited. But anyway, let's get some. I want to do a light face because it is a pub crawl and I'm going super casual, so I don't want to do too much. So let's get into it. Oh my god. Okay, should I turn this light down? Hold on, guys. Is that better? I feel like that might be better. Why is my autofocus off? 1 second. I don't know how to fix this. Background defocus. Background clear. I don't know what the autofocus button is. Okay, you know how that works, but we can keep moving. I'm gonna start with the Denesta. Oh, it's not the balm. I can already tell this is gonna be such a chaotic little get ready. Oh, ooh. Actually, I'll turn that back up a little. Yeah, perfect. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna start with my Denesta Universal Blurring Balm. Gimme balm. However y'all know what the fuck I'm trying to say. So I haven't used this yet, but it's supposed to be perfect for oily girls. And when I say it's supposed to be perfect, I'm saying that because this is what the UK babes use. And in UK babes, I trust. So let's see how this fares out. I'm very excited. The UK babes love this product. And I love the UK babes. I don't know if I've ever mentioned that here, but the majority of the makeup girls that I enjoy watching, they're all in the UK. Yeah. I don't actually, I'm gonna be so real, and I know this sounds really weird. I don't watch many people. I don't. But the ones that I do watch, eat down. I think my two favorite UK beauty girls are, I like Uche and I like I think her name is Jordan. Fabulous. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. I love those two. Actually, no. Three. Four. Actually, no. The fourth isn't actually a UK babe. She's an Irish babe. But I like Uche. I like Jordan Lipscomb. I think I'm saying her last name right. And then I like Alexandra Claire. Oh, I love her. She might be like my all-time favorite. And then my Irish fave is Frankie Darling. Okay, so let's get into a little balmy balm balm. Since I'm using that, I'm gonna use my Yummy Skin. I think. I don't know. I might mix my Yummy Skin with this Good Apple Kat Von D balm that I have. Yeah, I think I'm gonna mix these two because I got to the Yummy Balm in shade 9. I actually am probably gonna go and get I'm probably either gonna get shade 8 or 7 because this is too, it's a little, as we can see, it's a little too dark for me. And it's way, way beyond returning. So let's mix these two together. Okay, so yeah, so because this is supposed to be a trip with my bestie, I am in a 2-bedroom. Yeah, I'm just gonna put this at the bottom. And then put the Danessa Myricks on top. This actually isn't that bad. It gives you just a little darker. I don't know if you guys can see how light this is. Actually, I'm gonna brighten this back up a little so I can see how light this is. Ah, I forget it all the time. Color correct. It's gonna be the death of me. I know I brought my color corrector. I was gonna say don't piss me off. And by don't piss me off, I'm absolutely talking to myself. Okay, this is going to be, I feel like this is about to be so chaotic, but I mean, when it comes to me, what isn't? Okay, let's mix in this. I need to bring a mirror to my face. Hold on. Because for whatever reason, I didn't bring like a mirror. Okay, yeah. It's a lot better. Okay. Boom. Boom. Okay. Gonna close the Yummy Apple Skin, or the Good Apple Skin, and I'm gonna go into my Danessa Myricks. Ah, perfect. I feel. So yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, so I'm in a 2-bedroom. So because I have all this newfound space, I am taking full advantage. I am sleeping in one room and I have another room that currently looks a hot ass mess because it is harboring all of my clothes and my makeup. I don't think I brought brow products. So this would be interesting. Yeah, I don't think I brought no brow products at all. Why do I still have this? Goodness. I also don't know how my hair looks right now. Everything right now is we are. That's all I can say right now. My dumbass really didn't bring any brow product. The brows are going as is. Okay, so for the highlight, I'm not doing too much. I'm gonna go just one color today. I'm gonna use my Sephora Best Skin Ever. And just, yep. I'm gonna let this sit for a second and I'm gonna do the blush. So for today, do I want to go pink? No. So for today, I'm gonna do my House Labs Glassy Watermelon. So I don't think I want to put on a powder blush. Oh, no. I don't think I want to do a powder blush after this, so I just want something good. You know? And I haven't used this blush in a very long time, I feel. Oh, putty blonde. Oh, putty bronzer brush. What time is it? I need to move. Good thing I don't really plan to do much outside of this. I'm gonna take my Hourglass concealer brush, my Milani Make It Last. I need to put tops back on my foundations. Do not want shit drying out while I'm here. And blend. Actually, I'm not gonna take this brush. I'm gonna take my sponge. That's the vibe. Very light, very subtle. Okay. I'm going to take a bit more of the blush. Okay. I need to hurry the absolute fuck up. Okay. Well, let me make it last. Honestly, I would use my all-nighter Urban Decay all-nighter setting powder, because why the fuck not? Okay. It's subtle. I like it. I'm gonna have to see how this comes off on on the camera, because from what I can see in the little paper thing, you can't really see how good this looks. Hopefully when I go to edit, that changes. Mac Studio Fix and NW45. Okay, I'm gonna hurry up, get dressed, and come back with my lip done and everything, but y'all gotta give me a second. Okay. I'm done. I'll have pictures of the whole outfit or do a jump. Or hold on. Let's see. This. Super nice. But yeah, I gotta go.